Welcome to our channel. If your bank loan application was denied, follow these step-by-step instructions to appeal the decision and improve your chances of approval. Step 1. Request a detailed explanation for the denial in writing. Federal law requires lenders to provide specific reasons why your application was rejected, which helps you address the issues. Step 2. Review your credit report for errors that may have affected the decision. Obtain free reports from annualcreditreport.com and dispute any inaccurate information with credit bureaus. Step 3. Address the specific reasons for denial before reapplying. If income was insufficient, consider adding a cosigner. If credit score was low, work on improving it before submitting a new application. Step 4. Gather additional documentation to strengthen your case. Provide proof of stable employment, recent pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and any other evidence of financial stability. Step 5. Write a formal letter of reconsideration to the bank's loan department. Explain any extenuating circumstances, demonstrate how you've addressed their concerns, and present new supporting evidence. Step 6. Consider offering additional collateral or a larger down payment. This reduces the lender's risk and may make them more willing to approve your loan application. Step 7. Ask about alternative loan products the bank offers. Some institutions have different loan programs with varied requirements that might better fit your financial situation. Step 8. If the appeal is unsuccessful, wait 3 to 6 months before reapplying. Use this time to improve your credit score, reduce debt, increase savings, and strengthen your overall financial profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.